We are into total poultry activity, right from primary breeding, both in broiler sector and layer sector. We are into selling day-old parent stock, then selling day-old broiler chicks. Then we sell day-old layer chicks. In addition to that, we have got animal health product division, in which we manufacture and sell all the poultry biologicals and vaccines. Then we sell, manufacture and sell poultry medicines and all the vitamins and feed supplements which are required for the poultry. Then we are also into poultry processing. We sell processed poultry meat. Then we also have egg powder plant, liquid egg into powder, and we sell egg white separately and yolk powder separately and also whole egg powder separately. We are also into poultry equipments, in which we manufacture poultry incubators. Then we also sell poultry feeding equipments, watering equipments. Then we are also into pet food. We sell all the pet foods in Indian market. Then we also have our operations in India and in all the surrounding countries, in Sri Lanka, in Nepal, in Bangladesh, and in Gulf countries. We have operations also in Sultanate of Oman. We export hatching eggs to all the surrounding countries. We export egg powder into Japan, into Europe, and into Australia. Then we export vaccines and medicines into all the surrounding countries, even into African countries. So we are a company with totally integrated poultry operations. We are considered as one of the best poultry business group in Asia. We have branches in every state, in every district. So it's and we have a total our total turnover is something like 8,000 crores plus, and we are into every activity of poultry. There is no single activity is left. We are into every poultry activity in India, and we are self-sufficient. We are self-sufficient in all poultry activities. And we work with the franchisee system. We have got something like 530 franchisees all over India, and we supply them the parent stock, and those parent stock are bred, and they produce chicks, and they also sell those broiler chicks in the Indian market. And we also have an associationship or franchiseeship in layers also. There we call it, our breed is called BV300, and in broilers our breed is called Vencob. Vencob is the registered broiler brand, and BV300 is a registered layer brand, and we are the owners of that brand in India. AMC, our group was established in the year 1972. We have a total poultry objective of supporting all the poultry activities in our country. We work through a franchisee system, in which we support every broiler farmer, every layer farmer, every poultry breeder, right from supplying them the seed material and giving them the technical support and helping them in establishing their market and giving all kinds of support in establishing their business. Okay, it is basically, we are into something like an inclusive growth of poultry activity in India. Our founder of our company, Dr. B.V. Rao, is considered as a father of Indian poultry industry. He is the one who has established, and now his children, his daughter and his two sons and his son-in-law, they are taking the company forward, and they are also following the footsteps of Mr. B.V. Rao.